Hello everybody. Okay, we have a new project. This is the same principle of, I don't think I've done any with Arduino Nano and a waveform. Okay, so animated wave with a OLED and the sound sensor, you can see here. Okay, it's the same principle. It's a bit dark because it's pouring with rain at the moment. Let's see. Okay, this is Arduino Nano, obviously. The old Arduino Nano. And we have a wave that have a higher pitch or lower pitch and lower pitch. So when it's a higher pitch, the wave moves up and moves down when it's a lower pitch. Okay. So unfortunately Arduino hasn't got much memory, so I battled to use FFT waves, so I've used normal mathematical, and you can see from the codes, so there is no need for library. This is the initialization of the sound. Obviously the sound sensor is on A0 because it's Arduino, and then I've got the OLED. The default I2C, it's SDA, which is A4, and ACL, which is A5. Okay, so here it's a principle and the mathematical for the wave, which it's, it works perfectly at the moment. Okay, let's have a look now. Okay, when I don't talk, or now that I talk, depends the wave up and down, you can see. So let's try to see. It's pitch dark and it's 10 o'clock in the morning. Okay, now it's completely flat, and we can try to see. Hello, hello, hello. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hello. Yeah, this is not. Okay, it's not easy to find the middle point, but yeah, I think I got it there. Apologize for the dark. Maybe I could put artificial lights, probably look better, but there's enough light here to make it look like all right. Okay, so let's explain the sound sensor pin, which is here. Okay, the pin goes to A0 on the Arduino, and the OLED, the SDA on pin 4 and the ACL on pin 5, and you can see it here. Okay, I'm not going to get too close. And we have a railing here. It's ground and positive. You can see the railing with this two point here. It's a ground and VCC 5 volt. And picks it up here, ground. Sorry, ground and 5 volt. Okay. Yeah, it's 5 volt and ground. And the same it's here, obviously, because we do a railing. Okay, so it's pretty simple. The the problem is that Arduino hasn't got much power as the ESP32, obviously, but it's an 8-bit chip. So, but it's for small project, it's perfect, and actually easy to manage as well. Alright guys, I will post everything on the usual channel. Thank you very much. Please give me a thumbs up if you like it. Have a good day.